Hi, I'm Clara and I'm doing the artist way. This is week 10. And this week, Julia Cameron concerned me. What else are you going to use to sabotage yourself? Social media, relationships, work. I ran out of excuses. I reread my morning pages. I've been complaining about the same thing every day, as if that's part of who I am, but not anymore. Doing morning pages brought me to the point where I didn't know what else to write. I told myself, I want to film. What if I write a short? Suddenly, 5 stories came out. I hadn't written since elementary school. I don't even know how I did it. The page was blank. Then, the pen moved on its own. Julia also says, if you don't know how to do something, ask for help. So I started literature lessons. Turned out I'm good at it. I also went to the theater as my artist day. I went alone. I joined acting classes, and I learned how to hold eye contact, connect with others, and inhabit other bodies. I set boundaries, no work after 6. Biking, seeing people, making space for myself and for stories. I still struggle to let go of my phone. I wrote, I read myself, I listened, and when I write, I stop doubting. I start showing up. I don't know if I'm an artist yet, but this week I stopped complaining and I started creating. And that, even if no one sees it, it's also part of the path.